The Davinci DC100 is a futuristic cafe racer with a simple design, delivering outstanding performance and effortless handling. According to the manufacturer, as an electric motorcycle, the DC100 has powerful performance that can rival the leader bike 1000cc class. Also, it is a two-wheeled, dynamic robot offering an optimized, smart, and passionate riding experience. It has many advanced sensors and electronic systems aimed at making the motorcycle as safe and efficient as possible. The DC100's advanced sensors allow it to track information, including ambient temperature, lean angle, speed and acceleration, load, type of terrain, and any difference between wheel speeds. The electric motorcycle makes use of gyroscopic sensors to determine factors such as pitch, lean angle, and even yaw. This data is used to precisely moderate how its power is delivered to ensure optimum performance in all conditions. All these features, as well as the bike's batteries and powertrain, are housed beneath the bulky bodywork, which gives the DC100 its futuristic aesthetic. In terms of performance, DC100 has a peak power of 100.75 kW and a peak torque of 850 Nm. The charging of DC100 is widely accessible at great ease. The motorcycle is powered by a ternary lithium battery pack with high energy density. The battery, compatible with high-voltage platforms and capable of high-rate charge-discharge, can use level 3 DC fast charges, which deliver a 0-100% charge in about 30 minutes. The Davinci DC100 is available for pre-order now at US $27,500. Davinci also revealed a naked DC Classic model with less fairings covering the big all-battery box, more blingy bits, French calfskin seats, and an unforgivable US $90,000 price tag. There's a video below if you enjoy frenetic fast-paced editing and every conceivable fast-paced camera trick in the book, deployed to distract you from the fact that you're just watching people trundle along up the road at low speed.